Racing just is started. We have Win Factor break week later start. Irene's Dream in second, Nothing to Fear. Rushing up now on the outside, Senorita Ruth. Dark Chocolate, Surplus Queen, Fabulous comes next. Then down on the inside is Moby Title. Next in line is Tuba Tahar Rips, while Jacobus Magic is the early trailer by about 14 lengths of the leader. Racing down the backstretch, we have Nothing to Fear by our length. Moving up now on the outside is Senorita Ruth, and in third comes Win Factor. Irene's Dream comes next, and Surplus Queen running by the rail. Movie Title, Tuba Taharips. Then moving up on the outside is Dark Chocolate. Jacobus Magic now secondless, while Fabulous now racing in less. And the far turn, two runners now matching their strides together. Moving up on the outside is Senorita Ruth to take the lead. And here comes Irene's Dreams. Surplus Queen like twice. Moving up on the outside, Nothing to Fear shuffle back in fourth. And they are now entering the home stretch. Senorita Ruth now by about 4 lengths. Surplus Queen now to take second. Irene's Dream is running by the rail last 75 meters. We have Senorita Ruth over Surplus Queen, and final Senorita Ruth, Surplus Queen. Then comes Irene's Dream, Jacobus Magic, Tuba Taharips, and Nothing to Fear.
All right, number 10, Senorita Ruth, Crossing the Warpers, ridden by J.B. Hernandez. Masi Segundo, 5, Surplus Queen, Irene's Dream, 7, Jacobus Magic, 9.